ECD will be on this side. We will build this up. We are going to change some of these designations and make the junior secondary, because they are a bit older students, they will be a bit separated from the ECD and the primary. You see, can you see the tractor over there?
The ECD should be what, 4-5? What is your post?
Our planning for ECD is 800 students, Your Excellency, in 10 classes with 2 ablution blocks.
The kids can be more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can do 8 classes. Where is the contractor?
Greville Enterprises contractor. Greville Enterprise contractor, please come forward.
Yesterday, sir, we agreed that we are not going to have the ablution block within the building. Yeah. We shall do them on the
I think just keep it here.
Okay. Okay, that's agreed.
This is the contractor. Contractor Bari. Una classroom moja ni pesa ngapi? No, hata ile ya chini ni pesa ngapi?
Nairobi is 2.2.
Why Nairobi is supposed to be cheap?
No, it's expensive. It's high. It's high because of the cost of material. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Hey.